Have you ever listened to a song and shed tears? If yes, there's 95% probability that those songs were sung on a minor key. So by the end of this video, you are going to learn popular gospel songs that were sung on a minor key. Before revealing the song, let's quickly review some brief theories you need to know about songs that were sung on a minor key. So the first thing you need to know about songs that were sung on a minor key is the emotional feeling attached to those songs. So most songs that were sung on a minor key, gospel songs to be precise, mostly have a characteristic sad or tragic emotion attached to those songs. And this is owing to the fact that they all resolve on a minor chord which have a characteristic sad sound. And in most cases, the chord 6. I know this might sound a little bit complicated for beginners, but let's not dive too deep into these theories. The key thing to understand here for beginners level is that most gospel songs that were said to be sung on a minor key starts and end on a minor chord, and in most cases the 6th chord of a particular major scale. So this lesson is going to be in the key of F, and you know the 6th chord in the key of F is what? This is our 1st chord, this is our 2nd chord, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, back to 1. Okay, so most of the song we'll be treating in this video ends on this 6th chord, which is D minor chord in this case. So in the real sense, they were actually said to be sung in the key of D minor, but let's just avoid complications and just stick to the fact that they are sung in the key of F major and resolve on the 6th chord to avoid complications. So here are examples of popular gospel songs that were sung on a minor key. In other words, they resolved on the 6th chord. So I'll be displaying the basic chord progression on screen while singing, so you can use that as a guide. Examples include the popular Christian hymn, God of Mercy and Compassion. God of mercy and compassion, look with pity upon me. Out of My Belly by Prosper Ochimana. Of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Another popular Christian hymn, What Child Is This? What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? We have the popular spirit chant by Apostle Joshua Selman, Elohim Adonai. Elohim, Elohim Adonai, Elohim, Elohim Adonai, Elohim. We also have the popular Adonai by Nathaniel Bassey. Adonai. Changing Life by Frank Edwards. My God is still changing life. The popular spirit chant, Lord You Are Here by Lawrence Hoyo. Lord You Are Here, Lord You Are Here, Lord You Are Here, Lord You Are Here. Holy Fire by Theophilus Sunday. Holy fire burn upon my altar. From within me, Spirit, you take over. Holy fire burn upon my altar. We have the popular You Are Glorious by Colin Maluke. You are glorious, so glorious in your way. Yeshua Amashia by Nathaniel Bassey. Yeshua Hamashia, Lion of Judah, Lagune Jemba, and Yeshua Hamashia, Lion of Judah, Agune Jemba. We have Bringing Everything in Obedience to Christ by Chris Delvan. Bringing everything in obedience to Christ, bringing everything in obedience to Christ. I See Jesus by Theophilus Sunday. I see Jesus seated on the throne, and I see Jesus seated on the throne. Another popular spirit chant, we hail thee. We hail thee, we worship you, we hail thee, O Most High. Now these are just few out of many other gospel songs that were sung on a minor key. The key thing to understand here for beginners level is that most gospel songs that end on a minor chord, but most cases the chord 6, were sung on a minor key.